Today we'll be talking about the Massimo MB200 mini bike. The MB200 is the premier mini bike on the market today. Quality, affordable, and easy to operate. Here we have the Massimo MB200 mini bike, one of the premier mini bikes on the market today. It has a headlight for night riding, attached handlebars, add gas and go. It accommodates up to a 200-pound rider, has a 196cc air-cooled engine. It's front fork suspension, so you have a little bit smoother ride. The MB200.